Okay, what's up guys? Let me know if you hear me good. I want to hear myself also because I got feedback about echo in my voice. Echo in voice, yeah, I hear it also. But there is no time to put the settings now. So I try to fix it for tomorrow. Today will be shorter session, a bit shorter, because I have some task to do. I need to help my mom with deliver her car to the service. But Christian, what's up? Let's blow some accounts. Let's blow some accounts. I'm ready. Yeah, let's do it. Wednesday. Today, no news for the dollar, to be honest. It's only home sales, but low impact. We don't need to care about it. And bank stress test results. I don't know what is this news. Stress test. Yeah, skip. Oh, at the Tokyo Open, President Trump speaks, so we can expect high volatility during Tokyo. And then at the New York Open, we got the GDP, price index, and unemployment claims. So high volatility New York Open and probably high volatility Tokyo Open. Be careful at 2:30 a.m. CST and 2:30 p.m. CST. But that's for the tomorrow. Tomorrow we have also stream at 5 p.m. as always, I guess. Maybe a bit earlier. I don't know. I need to organize my my day tomorrow. So we'll see. But stream will happen for sure. So no problem. It's okay, brother. Yeah, good. Thank you for your feedback. And let's move to the chart. Oh. Oh. Man, what was that? Almost 2% move on gold in 30 minutes. What was that? Yesterday we talked about sales, gold sales instantly going down or sweep the liquidity. I was also not super confident with pushing my buttons, but I'm play this one yesterday. They never hit our stop loss. Target here 1 to 4, pretty clean, over 1 to 4, pretty clean and fast idea for yeah, we mark it somewhere here at the 1 hour, somewhere here probably. Wait, not here on this one. That was bearish candle for some time. I'm markup sells If someone want to take it, I push the button for cells. They go up a bit and fall down. 1 to 4, over 1 to 4 PT clean. And overall, almost 1 to 7. So good idea yesterday. With bullish, I still want to see 4 hour change of character. For now it's here. Let me make it clean for you guys. Yeah, we swept it low. And gold is still expanding to the downside, but we got high volatility rejected candle here. There is a 4 hour candle, no wicks, upper wick, very short, and no bottom wick. So maybe we're going for some pullback. We got the trap candle here. There is also area with 4 hour break of structure, change of character. EMA 20 is following us above the candles. So let's check it. Let's check. .5 is here. Liquidity. I don't like 4 hour. 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour is much better. You know, it's still expanding to the downside. So FIB is just a markup, but they can sweep low again. If they sweep low, I will reanalyze the chart, but for now FIB is here. So if we start pulling back, I want to see sells out of this area and minimum here, but ideally for another low. Let me check what is on the left. Yeah, that's gonna be target liquidity here. So we make another low. Volume higher on this low, so potential for the pullback. Let me check the 4 hour. Yeah, it's a bit higher. So potential pullback is coming. I want to see price inside this box and go here. Something like that. No, maybe inside 1 to 10, 1 to 6, 1 to 4. Depends where you enter your position. I like to watch the price action on the lower time frame. For 1 hour chart, that's gonna be 1 to 5 minute break of structure inside the box. And push the button, you know, for sales. There is some liquidity, maybe stop above it. Yeah, let's check if market just do the pullback or continue to the downside. If we continue to the downside, I will wait for the pullback and reanalyze the chart. And also I will send something on Discord if I see potential setup. Yesterday idea fire. Bitcoin fire. Look at that guy. Potential for 1 to 12. Now it's 1 to 2.5. I want to TP somewhere here, 1 to 4, no rush. And then I will wait for the pullback and execute another position to the downside. Don't need to risk whole of my position with holding it that long time. But it looks super good to get there. And when we get inside 50k, I'm gonna activation with long-term buys, and let's see if another cycle gave us new all-time highs on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin and gold, very nice. Gold now, patient. Zone is 4,050 to 4,075. Potential stop loss around 4,100. Let me know if gold is clean for you. Let me know if you trade Bitcoin. And we're going for the dollar. That scenario never happened. And dollar slowly climbing into our macro reversal area. So dollar still have room to go more upside. Yeah, 3% to the upside still possible from where is it now. And my levels for the dollar: imbalance liquidity, here, volume, probably point of control. Yeah, value area low around our lower box. Point of control a bit below first zone. And there is exactly point of control. So that's zones for the dollar. Let me share it on the Discord. Liquidity here. Valid area high, inside the box, fib levels, confirm. And our 1 hour. Trap candle on 4 hour, fib level. And point of control. So also free confirmation. If we do the 4 hour break of structure, I'm going to take a buys into this zone. So with scenario 4 hour break of structure, pullback and buys into this zone, waiting for sells pattern and sell it. If we do liquidity sweep, if we swept at low and go for another one, just discard that setups, because we need to reanalyze. Same with gold, same with dollar. If dollar push higher, we need to reanalyze the chart and change our zones. S&P, look at it. Swept first zone, but didn't sweep the liquidity. I believe S&P can go downside. Maybe something like that into this level. I don't know, I skip S&P. Too much energy to analyze S&P now, and I don't have much time. So that session will be speedrun a bit, if you see. that's you can learn how you can do quick analysis. Mark your just mark your alerts. And quit. Be happy with your day. Zones are set. Our traps are set with alerts. So we're just waiting for the gold and another instruments. Euro don't want to do the pullback, but maybe now. Valid area high, point of control. Let me look at the left. Here, liquidity. I'm usually targeting liquidity, you know. GBP full target. Never do the pullback. UJ skip. Swiss franc. I don't like Swiss franc. UJ probably just start running to the upside still. And Swiss franc, I don't know. UJ looks like want to push more. If this is gold, I will bet on upside continuation from where it's at now. But this is UJ, so I'm skip it. CHF also skip, but trade from this zone was disgusting, guys. No, pretty cool. Bitcoin, come to me, Bitcoin. Yeah, I like it. And oil just want to hit full target. Oil skip all of our zones, only respect this one, and then oil just skip this zone, making lower lows and trying to go for the full target, full macro target. Imagine if you're holding that guy. 1 to 25 almost. It's sick. It's still expanding to the downside. It's hard to do anything on oil now. If oil push more to the downside, just skip, discard our idea. If oil do new low, just skip it. but I want to see a pullback at least. Just give me pullback. One pullback for execute the trade. One pullback can be enough, guys. That's going to be 1 to 8. Just give me one pullback oil. Because you're falling and falling to the downside. And just skip our zones. We don't like you. So, speed run today, quick analysis, quick session. Let me know if you have some question about our assets. You can check it on the Discord, it's more clean because you can just roll from up to the down. And if you have some question for some assets, we can return to it and explain you things you not understand. It's no problem for me. It's better to set the question if you don't know than just trying to fix it by yourself. Christian, all clear. Nice, I like it. So if everything is clean, I'm just finished the session. That's going to be a shorter one because I need to ride to service with my mom's car. Yeah, that's oil. Fix it a bit. That's a bonus for you who are on the stream. That's bonus for you. Bitcoin is still falling. Nice. Slowly coming to my target here. Gold is fighting with pullback. Dollar also. Silver also. EU also fighting with a pullback. GU trying to bounce. And yeah, we got all for today. Tomorrow we have the session at the same time probably, but if something change for tomorrow, I will let you know earlier for sure, because I'm not sure if tomorrow I will do session at 4 p.m. CST or 5 p.m. CST as always. I'm just update you tomorrow, and I'm trying to fix that echo with my microphone. So that's gonna be it from myself. Thank you for being here with me today, and we see again tomorrow. Remember guys, patience is key. So be careful and take care of yourself. Bye bye.